my channel. Today my dad got a new Samsung S22 and I'm going to be unboxing it. Let's unbox. It is a very beautiful phone. Whoa, look at this phone, guys. This phone is a really beautiful phone and I really like it. The color of this Samsung is matte black. It also has chrome finishes on the side and it also has 3 cameras. This phone has 128 gigabytes and let's turn it on. This is what the phone looks like right after you turn it on. Let's see what's inside the box. First thing we have is a charger. And we have instructions. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Oh my god, we're literally walking to the Burj Khalifa. I am so excited, I cannot believe it.
I just went to the Gucci store and I got this Gucci t-shirt for